Procreate Make Watercolor Brush. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create realistic watercolor brushes in Procreate Pocket for digital painting. Start by opening Procreate Pocket on your device and wait for the app to load completely. Tap the brush icon at the top to open the brush library. Then tap the plus button to create a new custom brush. Brush Studio will open automatically, where you can customize all brush settings. Go to the Shape tab and tap Edit and Shape to modify the brush tip. Import a soft watercolor blob or a soft airbrush shape to create a natural watercolor base. After importing, set scatter to around 10 to 15% so the brush does not look too repetitive. Set rotation to follow stroke so the shape rotates naturally with your hand movement. And set randomized to about 5 to 10% to add subtle variation. Next, go to the Grain tab and tap Edit and Grain to add texture. Import a subtle watercolor paper texture to give the brush a realistic paper feel. Set movement to rolling so the grain moves with the stroke. Then set scale to around 35 to 45% and depth to 25 to 35% to control the visibility of the texture. Set zoom to follow size so the grain adjusts when the brush size changes. After that, go to stroke path and set spacing to 5 to 8% to keep strokes smooth. Add jitter around 3 to 5% to introduce slight randomness. Then go to rendering and choose intense blending mode to help strokes blend smoothly. Set flow to 60 to 70% and wet mix to 20 to 30% for a soft, layered watercolor look. Turn on burnt edges, set burnt edges mode to multiply, and set burnt edges depth to 20 to 30% to add darker edges. Go to Apple Pencil or pressure settings and increase opacity under pressure to about 60% and size under pressure to 20 to 30%. Finally, tap Done and test the brush on a new layer using a light blue color.